this will probably be the best fried chicken you ever had in your whole entire life. And I'm telling you, you have to make sure you try this. What's up everybody, Dees here, and I'm gonna show you how to make the best fried chicken you've ever had. What you're gonna need is paprika, garlic powder, coriander, and if I'm talking too fast, all this stuff is listed right in the left-hand corner. And a bit of cayenne, some salt, some black pepper. You're gonna mix that all up. You're gonna take your chicken thighs and go ahead and put your seasoning right on top of it. We're using chicken thighs because they are packed with flavor and you really can't dry them out. Go ahead and add some milk right into that. You wanna soak it and let it marinate with the remaining seasonings for at least 2 to 3 hours. Go ahead and get some baking powder. Now baking powder is a secret that's gonna give you that extra crisp. Some flour. And here's the kicker, we're going with the panko breadcrumbs. Now get your marinated chicken out, put it into the dry batter mix. You don't want to go too heavy, but you don't want to go too light. It should look just like that. That's perfect. Now you can put this in the air fryer, but we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. We're gonna get some vegetable oil, put it on medium-low, and we're gonna go ahead and let that fry on both sides for 5 minutes until it's golden brown and reaches the internal temperature of 165. Look at that. Go ahead and get your favorite bun. Stack those 2 pieces of golden brown fried chicken on top of each other. Put all the dressings that you want and just take a bite. Man, I'm telling you, once you do this, once you try this recipe, it will be the game changer. Forget about all the places you normally get your chicken sandwich from. You'll thank me later. And if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button because I truly appreciate that support. See you next time.